Okay, so I will see you here. Okay, don't stay long there, baby.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye. So, can you read something for me? Okay, read it, read. Okay, next, Miss. Hi guys, good morning. I'm missing ako 1 o'clock last night. If before you watch this video, you seen that one. I recorded it on my phone. Yeah, I woke up at 1 o'clock in the morning because I saw the dog. I heard the dog barking here, barking there, crying over there. When I get down, Misty P, I punish her really bad. She kinda scared now. She need to be punishment because she need to learn to pee outside. And we trained her. She is really hard. You guys would say Misty is something like that. She is just hard and she will do what she want. And so bumaba ako dito, hindi naman sa sahig. Doon siya sa carpet, buti na lang kasi malilinis ko naman ng maayos kasi meron kaming cleaner for that. So bumalik ako doon. Ang saya kasi pagbalik ko sa taas, itong pusa na to nandun sa ano ko, dito sa legs ko nakahiga, straight na straight talaga siya. Ano pa rin yung ilong ko, ganon. I just finished editing. I just watched the news about the FBI. Remember the General Trump fired. So but before that, I'm gonna go upstairs. I will bring this with me, this cleaner. I have to clean something in the second floor. Kinda nice outside now, guys. Anyway, guys, I really wanna go to the other house to surprise Tommy. It's not really surprise, but I wanna go over there and just go over there and surprise him. Me and Rox is going, and Misty, of course, and the cats over here. I feel bad if I leave my cats. You guys never see me carry Dimples, right? Because she doesn't like to be carried. And she is my Dimplert. She is the Dimplert of my life birds. Hi, Dimplert. Say hi, Dimplert. Say hi, Dim. Look at her tail. If the tail just keep wobbling, look. It's really like hard like thing. She doesn't wanna be carried. Na, give Mama a kiss, be. Look, she doesn't like it. Look at this. What, you don't want it? No one can, no other people, only me and Tommy can, can do something to her, because if other people will touch or carry, she will just she like that. And yeah, only me and Tommy. Yes, I love her, of course. Look at it, how pretty she is. She's very pretty, guys. Yes, I love my dimple lords. No, I love my dimple lords. I love my dimple lords. 10:43 in the morning and I'm not giving them anything. You know what, guys? I was talking to Tommy, and then I told him, he asked me what I'm gonna do, what's my plan, do I have to go there and bring the dog? And I said, no, I changed my mind, and please open the garage because I am going to go by to the grocery because I'm planning mukbang. Well, the thing is, I was lying. I'm gonna go over there and surprise them with the 2 dogs and leave the cats here and come back here tomorrow. The dog will survive. But anyway, okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. But before that, I'm going to eat lunch and then I will carry my puppy. Snap. You ready to go other house? You ready to go to the other house? Are you ready? And then we come back here tomorrow. We come here. Why my face doesn't focus, but it focused to that thing. Okay, so but we're coming back here tomorrow after picking up his mother. You look so sad, baby. Please smile, baby, please. Please smile, dude. Alam ata ni Roxy. You know it, Rox? I think alam niya na. You guys know that we're going, right? Diyan muna kayo, ha? Diyan muna. Nagdala lang akong pagkain ng aso. Dalawa. Kasi tonight and tomorrow morning. And then, after that, come in. Takot ito noon, ah. Ngayon, okay na sila. I-load ko lang tong mga garbage, guys. And then, yun lang. Ilagay ko lang yung aso dito at saka alis na kami. I know, baby. I know. We're gonna go. No, no. No. Come here, Miss. Stay, stay. Stay. Roxy. Come here, Roxy. Roxy. Okay. No, Roxy. Behave. Are you okay? Are you okay, Rox? Good girls. Good girls. Good girls. Good girls. Good girls. That's my good girl. Good girl. You're gonna go Dada. You're gonna go see Dada. Get down, Misty. Down. Down, Misty. Misty, get down. This is gonna, I hope it's not a disaster, guys, because Misty, get down. Get down, Misty. Down, Misty, down. Down, Misty. Okay, we're gonna go, guys. And that's it. We are heading. The cat is alone in the house. And that's really it. Misty, get down. Get down. Down. I'm alone and I don't want something happen while I'm driving. Ay, nako. Okay, so I will see you here. Okay, don't stay long there, baby.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye. Okay, guys, I'm here. So what I'm gonna do next is open the thing and then let the dog individually go inside. Yes. Come here, Rox. Come here. Come here, dog. Come on. Stay there, Misty. Stay there, Misty. Let's go. Let's go inside the house. Let's go. Hey. Psst. Roxy. What? Gusto mong bumalik sa isang house, Rox? What are you doing? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo, Rox. Peekaboo. Misty, come here, Mitz. Okay, Roxy. Misty, come here. Are you trying to... Yes, it's hot. Yeah, it's hot in here. Yummy, baby. Huh? You're not like that in the other house. Hindi ka ganyan, diba? You're looking for Dada? Hindi man ka ganyan, oy. Where's Dada? Oh, there's no dry food.
Subject. So there's a lot of depth to this, but I hope that this serves as a good sort of introduction into some of the thinking that I've had as I do this vlog.
Dada, baby.
Yeah, good market. Well, doesn't matter. You want to leave
Yeah. Hi guys, Insert shout out, guys. Magsha-shout out ako. At saka mayroong nagtatanong din. Somebody's asking. It's Tiger Lil Young. She's from Canada. I think she or he, I think. Hi, friend! Ano bang instant remover ko sa stove? Kasi ano daw yung kanya, hindi nawawala. So, ito yon. Ito yon. Ito yon. Screenshot mo, sis. Screenshot mo, my friend. Ito yon ang ginagawa ko. I'm gonna do insert shout out to Tita Leche Bernardo. Hi, Tita Leche. Loche. Ay, Leche talaga. Sorry, Tita. Loche pala. My face is so dry, guys. Happy 6-month sa apo niyang si Rafa. Thank you, Tita Loche, for watching. Okay, shout out to Imafi Rice. You know her. She's a vlogger from Davao. Hi, sis Imafi. And yeah, that's her YouTube name, Imafi Rice. Hi, sis. Thank you for watching. Shout out also to Margie De Los Reyes. Shout out to Maria Hedges. And yes, so thank you guys so much for watching. Hi, Tita Inday. Hi, Tis. Remember, guys, that when I went up, if you on my Facebook, remember I posted something on Facebook about, you know, I'm filming, and if you have some question, and somebody posted a question, and then, you know, and I was done already. I'm done with my, you know, filming. So those questions, I'm not going to ignore it. I'm going to answer some of the question. If the question is never been answered, I will answer it. Okay, this question is from Shane Shelton. Good morning, and my question ako, ilang kapatid ni Tami? Kapatid, ano sila? Lima sila, pero napatay yung isa lalaki. So 4 na lang sila ngayon, guys. 4 na lang. Ilang taon na hobby mo? My husband is 57. I think 57 or 56. I'm not sure. I'm sorry. Don't tell him. Bakit lagi siyang naka-long sleeve si Tami kahit mainit? Hey, kasi napansin ko lang ganyan. Sorry, tanong. Oh, yeah. He's wearing long. That's my question to before to him. He's wearing long sleeve all the time. That's who he is, guys. Since he was a kid, he is always wearing long sleeve. Like, he is a long sleeve guy, guys. Long sleeve all the way. He never really changed. Whoever is the person, you know, you can't change the person. If that's who they are, that's who they are, you know. If they wear, you know, thong every day, they can wear thong every day. But Tommy is a long sleeve guy. That's who he is. And this next question is from Ma'am Silk Hubs. Ask ko lang, sis, hindi ka ba takot mag-isa dyan sa bahay nyo pag wala si Tommy? Ang tahimik kasi, tas mga pets lang kasama mo. Actually, for the first, when I first sleep here for like few weeks, I was nervous. I heard everything, every little squeaky thing, noise. I always hear it because, you know, you intend to listen what's around you. Like even the outside, I can hear the animals walking like that because it's my first time here. But now, slowly but surely, you know, if I, you know, for example, my previous vlog, that yesterday's vlog that I went to the attic, I kind of I hear that over there, and it's just like a walking thing, somebody at the other side of the door, and I'm nervous. And then after that, it's gone. And there's a time that I kind of like look around, and you know, it's just like that. It's normal. And especially if the dog bark like bark like that, it scares me, and I have to like looking around like that, you know, to look around if there's people outside. And luckily, I have 2 dogs that tells me if there is somebody out there, you know. And okay, next question is from Jeneline Fabilani. Hello, Ann. Good PM dyan. My question is how to be you po. It's just like how to be baninay po. No, ano ba? Hindi naman talaga. Kung sino ka, kung umutot ka sa maraming tao, wag naman kasi mabaho. How to be baninay. Oh my God. Wala lang, sis. Oy, ano ba? Ano, ganyan talaga ako, sis. Pero sa totoong buhay, sis, yung hindi nyo nakikita, meron lang kaming problema. Di ba, Rox? Diba, Rox? And dito si Roxy, guys. I'm filming right here, baby. Good girl. What? Ay, naku, talaga ang buhay na to. Okay, we're gonna film together, okay? So, can you read something for me? Okay, read. Okay, next question from Elaine Love. Yeah, from Elaine Love. And not looking. And she said, "Hi sis Ann, may tanong ako sa iyo. Super ganda ng house mo. Malaki, maluwag ang paligid ng mga halaman. Ano ba? Ay, ang hirap pala pag may anak. Ang hirap pala pag may asong malukit. Makulit. Halaman. Ganda. Tanong ko, sis. Thank you, sis. Thank you. At saka, she said, tanong ko, sis, kanino napakangalan? Napakangalan. Mga personal na tanong naman ito, kung sino nakapangalan yung house mo. Sa inyo, dalawa ba ni Tami? Paano kung hindi naman ipahintulot ng Diyos, aabot pa kayo sa pagtanda ninyo? Of course, sa aming dalawa, sis, Elaine, Elaine. Alangan sa iba nakapangalan, sis, sa aming dalawa ni Tami. What time na ngayon dyan, Ate Ann? ngayon talaga ngayon, or sa when you were comment. Vanessa Juntahan, ngayon talaga is 7 in the morning. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning ngayon. Okay, so another question from Vanessa Juntahan. Ate Ann, I have question. Nganong inana ang mga puti gazilos mas kinula sila na prove na wala jud gibuhat ang girl tapos dali ra kaayo sila magsilos. Puti talaga na siloso. Pero iba-iba naman talaga ang silos, sis Vanessa. Iba-iba ang silos. Yung silos na may light lang, may silos na grabe-grabe na talagang silos na takot ka na. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. May ganyan talaga, may ganyan talagang lalaki. Pero kung yung walang mga basihan at saka nagsisilos pa rin, ano yun, yung sa tingin ko, grabe na yun. Yung grabe na talaga magsilos. Walang ibang makatingin sa asawa or sa partner nila kasi sobrang silos na. Yun ang iwasan. Kasi sobra na baka magawa sa'yo. So, iwas-iwas pag may time. So, yun lang ang mga questions sa Facebook na na-post ko. And I appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe if you wanna know. Kung gusto nyo makita yung live ko dito sa Pinas. Kung gusto nyo makita yung live ko dito sa yung married life ko dito sa Amerika. So, subscribe lang guys kung gusto nyong maki-join sa grupo natin. At thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye! Give them some bone. Night night. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Nandito ako ngayon sa isang bahay. Oh, anyway guys. Yeah, but anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Kita-kits bukas guys. Bukas na din. Bye! Kinda nice.